Look how calm she is today.
Yeah, yes, she trusts us completely. Just relax, my dear.
It's all right, my beautiful friend. You are safe here. Nothing will harm you.
Keep coming slowly. All right, next one, move up.
Easy now, just keep moving. Gently, gently, that's it.
Come on now, right here. Good girl.
There you go, relax.
Easy now, steady girl. That's it. Welcome to the factory, come on in. All right, let's go this way. Nice and easy, you're doing fine.
Vitals are stable, coat condition is excellent.
Confirmed. Wellness status optimal. Everything looks perfect. Heart rate and temperature are stable, and the wellness clearance is confirmed.
Gently right here. Hold steady. All right, sweetie, just looking at your eye now. Everything looks clear. And the ear looks good too. You're such a good girl. That's it, steady now, nice and easy. Just keep moving, girls. Sigue, sigue. Muy bien, vamos. All right, easy now. In you go, nice and secure. Good girl.
The grain on this batch is exceptional.
Humidity levels are holding steady at 14%.
Here is your jacket, wrapped and ready. Enjoy wearing it.
Thank you so much. The service was excellent.
As you can feel, the grain on this cow leather is incredibly supple.
It's absolutely beautiful. The quality is exceptional.
Shall I box this one up for you?
It really allows for full movement through the shoulders. It's perfect. I absolutely love how this feels.
Looks absolutely perfect, sir. Are you comfortable with the fit?